In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by opening tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then to turn on location, select turn on. To disable it, tap on close. When you're ready, go back to tab menu. As you can see, my shortcut turned gray, which means that location is off. To switch it back on, hit the same tile one more time. You can also just go into settings and look for location section over here. Then click on it and use this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!